Good morning, students. How are you, beta? I hope you all are fine and practicing all the exercises at your home. Now, in moral science class, we have done the explanation part of lesson 1 and it's time for your exercises. So, in page number, as you can see, this is your Foundation of Life Values or Moral Values book. This is the first chapter. And now page number 7, this is your exercise. So question number first is tick the correct answer. Question 1, the man was going through A park, B street or C forest. As you know, the man was going through a forest. So our C option is correct. Question number 2, the sage was sitting under a bench, B tree, C shade. So you know very well the sage was sitting under a tree. So our B answer is correct. Question number 3 is at night his dash servant served dinner to the man. Who? Servant A, servant B, wife, C, brother. So A, servant served dinner to the man. Question number 4 is the man found dash in his food. So A is stone, B is ant, C is insect. Which he was found? He was found insect. Okay. Now come to the question 2. Write true for true and F for false statement. So you know very well here some statements are given and you have to tell about it's true, whether and it's false. So for true you just write down capital T and for false you just write down capital F. So question 1 is we bath every day to keep ourselves clean. As you know, cleaning is a very good habit for our body. So this is a good thing. So we bath every day to keep ourselves clean. That means this is true statement and so we will write here T. Now come to the second one. Being dirty keeps us healthy. As you know beta, if we are being dirty, that means it is an unhealthy habit. So it is not a true statement, so it is our false statement. For this you just write down capital F. And third one is the rich man wanted to be a bad person. As you know beta, whenever we were reading the chapter, the rich man wanted to be a good person, not a bad person. So this statement is also false. So we will write here capital F. Now third one. Answer the following. As you know beta, we will solve in this first part only exercises. Question answer we will do in the next video. So till the time just wait for question answer video. Now come to the page number 8, life skills. What will you do in the following situation? Take the correct option. Beta, here some situation or conditions are given and 2 questions also have been asked from you. Just tell in this situation what you will do. Just tick or cross the statement. You and your friend were walking in the park. Okay, you and your friend both are walking in the park. There were a vendor selling fruits. Okay, there a vendor means who sells its items or goods in the 4-wheeler thing. This is called the cart. So vendor selling fruit chart on his with flies were sitting. As you know, the fruit chart was opened up and flies were sitting and they were making untidy the food. Your friend had not seen this, but you have seen, but your friend has not seen this. He brought some fruits and fruit chat to eat. He just brought some chat to fruit chat and this is very delicious. As we know, we all love fruit chat, but it should be healthy, it should be neat and clean and fresh also. but the condition was that fruit chaat was not healthy. Why? Some flies were sitting on it. Now what will you do? Now these two conditions are given. Just tell me what you will do. A is let your friend to eat that fruit chaat. Let your friend, you can allow him to eat the fruit chaat. Fruit chaat, just tell me, beta, this is correct statement or not? Beta, this is not correct statement. Why? Because you have seen that some flies were sitting on them and this is not healthy. So you will not allow him to purchase the fruit chaat. So you just cross the statement. Now B is tell your friends about the flies and forbid him to eat fruit chaat. Tell your friends, just at that moment you just tell your friend about these flies and unhealthy conditions and just forbid. You just make them sure that he will not eat this fruit, he will not purchase this fruit chaat. So this is our correct statement. Now question number second is, here are pictures of two pots. From which pot you will prefer to drink water and why? Here two pots are given and one is the water is directly drawn from the pot, and here some handle, some pot which is having handle. With the help of this utensil, the water is taking or water is going to be take. So which you just tell me which condition is healthy for your body and healthy for your mind. So this, just tell me, this is your homework. Tell me which pot you will prefer to take water and why. Okay, this is your homework. Just complete it and show me. Now come to the page number 9. Let's do something. Discuss with your partner about the ways to keep your food clean. You just discuss with your partner, that's mean your friend, how can you keep your food clean. So just discuss 3 to 4 points. These are enough and that will help you for your healthy life. Okay, now come to the last one, which is activity or fun time. Now question is, tick the correct pictures you should follow to maintain hygiene. Okay, some habits are given. You just see these habits are good for your hygiene or not. If it is good, just tick the answer, and if it is not good, just cross it. So first one is brushing. So you know very well brushing is very good habit, and you should brush twice in a day. So this is correct option, so it will tick. Now come, this boy is playing mud. Okay, and you know very well playing mud is not hygienic. You can play mud, but some precaution should be there, like you just wear gloves, wash your hand with hygienic soap, so this will be good. But here this condition is not good, so just cross down. Third was cutting the nail. Cutting the nail is also very good habit. You always maintain the trim nails in your fingers. This is very good habit, so you just take it. Now fourth one, beta, this boy is eating the food, but the pattern from which he is taking the food is not healthy. He is just spreading the food here and there, so this is not good, so you just cross it. Now fifth one, this picture here, the boy is combing his hair, and you know very well, first your hair should be short and trimmed, and the next one, which is very important, always comb your hair, because whenever you comb your hair dust which is on the hair, it's going to the outside from your hair. So combing of hair is good habit. You just, for this you just take the picture. Now sixth one is, he is beta taking a bath, and you know very well taking a bath is the best hygienic habit for any person. So you just take it, and whenever you take this picture, That's mean your chapter exercises are completed of this lesson. And in the next video, what we will do, we will complete the question answer. So beta, till the time, be careful for the pandemic situation, and till the time, bye.